Hey guys, what is up? This is Bill from My Batter Half, and as promised, this is the follow-up video to the Sprayway Grill and Oven Cleaner series. Now, if you didn't see the first video, I will put a link to it in the description below. Basically, we cleaned the hood over an oven, and it did a remarkable job. The hood looks brand freaking new. But in this video, we're going to actually use it to clean the grill. Now, I got to be honest with you guys, I don't know what to expect. I don't know how well it's going to get it cleaned, but we're going to try it and see what it's capable of. And on this channel, guys, we do do-it-yourself videos, and if you enjoy watching content like that, then consider subscribing and clicking that bell icon. And at that, let's get started. Alright guys, here's the grill that we're going to clean today. It's a stainless steel grill, and as you can see on the inside, it is quite nasty. The grill grates, the burner covers, everything in there is just nasty as nasty can be. We've got the tray on the bottom that we're going to clean as well, and the grease catcher. Get that cleaned out. And you can see on the inside of the lid here that there is a lot of carbon buildup, a lot of grease splatter and grime that we're going to get that clean as well as the edge here of the cover. And then once we're all done cleaning it, we're going to spray some stainless steel cleaner on the outside to give it that fresh off the line look. So here's the product we're going to use for today's video. Of course, we have the Sprayway Grill and Oven Cleaner, which is going to be our secret weapon to getting all that grease and grime off. We've got some microfiber cloths. We have a scraper right here. And then I also got a plastic spatula that we're going to use in case we have any suet on the inside that we need to scrape off. And the reason I got plastic was because it won't damage the inside of the grill, won't scrape it or scratch it. So that's what that's for. And then of course, as I mentioned before, the Zep stainless steel cleaner is going to be sprayed on the outside of the grill to give it that real shiny brand new look. Alright, so the first step before you clean any grill, any gas grill that is you have to disconnect the gas line. Now we are ready to start taking out the grill grates. Okay, we're also going to take out the burner covers. Alright, we're also going to take out the burners themselves. As you see, I've already taken 3 of them out, but I left one so I can actually show you how it's done. Okay, the first step is you see a cotter pin right here. We got to get that out with a pair of pliers. Then the actual igniter is held on by a screw, so we need to take a Phillips head screwdriver and get that off. Okay, once you have that off, the next step is to work the igniter out just like that. Then you take the igniter and you push it back through this opening, so when you spray the Sprayway it won't get all over it. Okay, this is a view from the back of the grill. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to clean out the grease trap. So I'm going to dump this into a styrofoam cup. Yummy! Ooh, look at that. Makes you want to get a straw, doesn't it? Okay. Yummy. Smells good too. And now I'm going to take my plastic spatula. I'm actually going to scrape all of this grease and grime into the grease catch to try to get some of that big stuff off of there before we spray it with the Sprayway. Alright, time to spray the Sprayway. Alright, gonna let that sit for about 30 minutes. Let the Sprayway do its thing. And while that's happening, we're gonna go ahead and spray down the grates, the burner covers, and the other stuff we took out of the grill. Okay, it's been 30 minutes. I'm going to spray this down with the water hose to see how well the Sprayway got it cleaned. Okay, the grease trap came nice and clean. However, I'm not satisfied with how this bottom rack looks, so I am going to have to add one more coating of the Sprayway and spray it down again with the water hose to see if we can get this looking any better. Okay, for the grill grates, the burner covers, and the burners themselves, I've used the scraper to scrape off all the excess meat and grime and stuff off of those. Now we're just going to spray them off with the water hose. Alright, so here's the items that were inside the grill. Of course, this here is the bottom rack. There's the grates. And as you can see, the grates actually came really clean. The burner covers, those right there, I mean, they're a lot cleaner than what they were. Those there are just discolored from all the heat and the fire. And then of course there's the burners themselves. Came really nice and clean up here, but then again down here it's the same deal. They're just discolored from all the heat and the fire. So we're just waiting on the Sprayway to work its magic on the inside of the grill, and once it's sat for a little bit longer, we're going to go ahead and take the spray hose and get it sprayed out as well, and then wipe it down with the microfiber cloths. Alright guys, here's the inside of the grill. Literally all we did was, after putting the Sprayway on here, we sprayed it off with the water hose, and this is what it looks like now. Look at this. Almost every bit of that came off. That stuff is amazing. So we're going to spray some more Sprayway on here, try to get the remaining part of this off. Alright, we got this sprayed down now with the Sprayway. We're going to let this sit for about 10 minutes and we'll come back and spray it again. And guys, I apologize that I missed the first spray down with the hose, but my SD card actually filled up right in the middle of it and it just stopped. So I do apologize, but we're going to get the second spray down with the hose and hopefully get the rest of this grease and grime off of here. We're going to use the Sprayway here on a few areas that don't seem to want to come off, and see if we can get it off. Alright, here goes the spray. Okay, we're going to dry this bad boy off now with a microfiber cloth. Alright guys, here is the finished product right here. It's not perfect, doesn't look like it did when we first bought it, but I mean, look at the difference. Look at the difference. I mean, that looks absolutely amazing. Very, very shiny. Now that right there on the inside of the lid, for some reason that wouldn't come off, but hey, you know what? It's all right. I'm just so amazed. I really did not think it would come that clean. I really didn't. I mean, that just looks phenomenal. Alright, so the last step that we're going to do is I'm going to actually take some degreaser and clean the outside, and then we're going to use the Zep stainless steel cleaner to make it all nice and shiny on the outside, and then we'll come back and let you see the finished product. Alright, so the two products that we're going to use for this is Zep all-purpose cleaner and degreaser, and then of course we're going to finish it off with the stainless steel cleaner by Zep as well. Alright, so I've got the degreaser applied and wiped off. Now we're going to apply the stainless steel cleaner and get it wiped down. Alright guys, here it is, the finished product. Take a look at that, guys. Nice and shiny. Amazing. Now the outside actually looks like it came off the showroom floor. I mean, it is absolutely beautiful. And we'll check out the inside here. And there's the inside. Look at how clean that came, guys. We see the before and after picture, which we'll post right here. It's like night and day, guys. Alright, so now that we've got the grill all nice and clean and shiny, the last step is to hook the propane back up, get the grill heated up to about 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. And that will burn off all those chemicals that we use to clean off the inside of the grill. And then after that, we'll be ready to grill some more. So there you have it, guys. The grill is completely done. We used the Sprayway grill and oven cleaner on it. I gotta be honest with you guys, I didn't think it would do that good of a job, but it did a phenomenal, remarkable job on that grill. It's not perfect, but it's pretty doggone close to it. So if you guys enjoyed the video, if you enjoy do-it-yourself videos like this, then please consider subscribing to the channel, click the bell icon, give us a comment and give us a thumbs up. And at that, this is Bill signing off from my better half. Have a great day.